Hello guys, you are welcome to ChrisControlAutomation. In this video, we are going to look at star delta starter control diagram. We are going to do the wiring and then we will operate it and see how it will work. Okay, we are going to see how the main contactor, the on delay timer, the star contactor and then the delta contactor operates. Okay, so let's get started. This is the circuit diagram. We are going to do the wiring first, and after the wiring I will explain the diagram. Then we test the wiring. This is the main contactor, the overload, on delay timer, star contactor, delta contactor. These are indicator lamps. From line 1, it comes to 95 of the overload. From 96, it goes to terminal 1 on the stop button. From terminal number 2 on the stop button, it goes to terminal number 3 on the start button. From terminal number 4 on the start button, it goes to terminal A1 on the main contactor. We tap from terminal number 3 on the start button to terminal 13 on the main contactor. We tap from terminal number 4 on the start button to terminal number 14 on the main contactor. We tap from the same terminal number 14 to terminal A1 on the timer. That is terminal number 7 or 2. Now we tap from the A1 on the timer to terminal number 8 on the same timer. Then we tap from terminal number 5 on the timer to terminal number 61 on K2. From terminal 62 on K2, it goes to A1 on K1. The terminal number 8 is common, so we are going to tap from terminal number 6 on the timer to terminal 61 on the star contactor. That is K1. From terminal 62 on the star contactor, it goes to terminal A1 on the delta contactor. Now, we tap from terminal A1 on the star contactor to X1 of the star indicator lamp. This is terminal X1. We also tap from terminal A1 on the delta contactor to terminal X1 of the delta indicator lamp. This is X1. Now we connect the main neutral to terminal A2 on the main contactor. Then we loop together. I am explaining the diagram. This is the main contactor, the on delay timer, star contactor, delta contactor. These are indicator lamps for the star and then delta contactors. The moment we switch on the main breaker, current will flow through the overload, through the stop button to this point. When we press on the start button, current will flow through to energize the main contactor. The same current will also flow through to energize the on delay timer. That same current will also flow through the close contact on the on delay timer, through the close contact on the delta contactor to energize the star contactor, and then the indicator lamp will also come on to indicate that the star contactor is energized. So as the main contactor is energized, this contact will close to serve as a hold on, so that when we take off our hand from the start button, still current will flow through here, okay, to maintain the main contactor, the on delay timer, and then the star contactor in energized state. Okay, so as the on delay timer is energized, it has started counting. Okay, so after the preset time, this contact, they will change their state. This close contact will open, and then the star contactor will de-energize. This contact will close, then current will flow through this close contact on the star contactor to energize the delta contactor, and then the delta contactor indicator lamp will also come on. So as the data contactor is energized, this contact opened, and as the time the star contactor also energized, this contact also opened. But as it is de-energized, it has come back to its closed state. So when this one also de-energizes, this one will also go back to its closed state. Okay, they are interlocks. Okay, that is how the circuit operates. So when you press on the stop button, everything will go off. So let's operate the wiring and then see how it will operate. Okay, this is the complete wiring. So I am turning on the main breaker. When I press on the start button, the main contactor will energize. The on delay timer will energize. Then the star contactor will also energize. The star contactor indicator lamp will also come on. So let me set the timer. Okay, so I am pressing on the start button. You see that? Let me go once again. You see that? So this brings us to the end of today's video. If this is the first time you are watching this channel, I will urge you that you subscribe. You hit on the subscribe button and then you hit on the bell icon. You choose all to turn on your notification. Okay, and then you like the video. You put down your comment and you share the video to your friends. Okay, let's meet in the next tutorials. Thank you.